y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, it's the Crazy Plant Lady. And what I'm getting ready to do tonight is, oh yeah, by the way, I don't own rights to this music. This is some smooth jazz music that I'm listening to. Let me cut it down a little bit. Let me cut it down just a little bit. That's Dr. Sax Love. But anyway, I am over here. I'm doing this concoction to help with the phlegm. I keep talking to people and they deal with that little nasty virus and they can't get rid of this cold and this phlegm. So I'm trying out this. I'm bringing you in my world a little bit. Y'all know I like plants over pills. And so I got this off of YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. I don't know, but I'm about to try it out, y'all. If it works, I guarantee you, you should use it. So I got a little ginger root here. Now, she did a lime, but she kept calling it a lemon. So I'm going to do a lime and a lemon because both of them got real good. They got the same properties, you know, when it comes down to your health. Now, the other thing I got, this is the worst looking mint leaf, but it's going to work for me tonight. And then I got my little cloves and I got my water. So I'm going to start with, I like spring water. And I'm going to start with, I'm going to use the whole gallon, fill this pan up. I am making some tea, all natural. See guys, now it ain't gonna be, it's gonna be almost a gallon. Almost a gallon. Got some left over. And so I'm gonna boil that real quick. Now, speaking of tea, I drink a green tea. Let me go get my green tea. This is my green tea. My herbal tea. Tastes real good. So anyway, this is the ginger root. I think I'll rinse it off a little bit. And the lemon and lime. Of course, want to make sure all that's clean because we're not going to be peeling it, y'all. We're going to use it straight. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to use everything. So I'm going to slice it up. Slice up this ginger root. Ginger root is really good for your immune system. We're going to get rid of this nasty phlegm. I'm telling you. We're not going to be living with this. I told my girlfriend, I said, oh no, I'll try it out for you. And if it works, I'll hook you up, girl. Because we like living. Living. So, see that right there? I chopped up my ginger root. I think I chopped up enough. I hope I chopped up enough. And then I'm going to chop up. I swear this lemon was kind of rough, but it'll work. Yeah. So I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Today is Monday. Motivation Monday. Make it happen Monday. I'm about to make it happen, y'all. We about to attack. Ooh, why that pan move on its own? So I'm going to take this lemon. I'm going to put the lemons in there. I'm not going to worry about the seeds because you know what? When I get ready to strain it. Yep. When I get ready to strain it, it'll catch the seeds. And then I'm going to do the lime. Like I say, y'all, she got a lime on her video. She got a lime, but she kept saying lemon. So I'm going to call mine a lemon lime. So I'm going to hurry up because I only want this video to be 10 minutes. But this is a homemade soap to help you with your phlegm. So I'm doing lemon and lime. Y'all, I got the worst looking. I should have left it there and went somewhere else. I bought it yesterday, but I tell you, it looked kind of bad. But it smells good, but it don't look the greatest. I've already washed it off. That might be another reason why it looked kind of bad. But this is the mint leaf. And I'm going to cut off the brown part. That's how we going to do that. Where my music at? Where my music? And so I'm going to, I paid too much for this to look this bad. And I got it from one of my favorite stores, y'all. I think it was just a bad bunch, but it smells good. It smells minty. And if it doesn't have enough mint, I have peppermint that I could throw in there. But let's see. Let me see how this is gonna be. Yeah, I should have got a refund. Plants over pills, y'all. Plants over pills. That's why I'm drinking this. Ooh, it's so good. So anyway, yeah, I've been talking to a lot of people and they've been telling me how they've been kind of suffering with that after effects of that nasty little virus. So, I lost a lot of this. I'm just going to cut it. Because, it's, like I said, it's already been cleaned. Yep. And this is part 1. Y'all come back for part 2. It smells good already, y'all. It smells good. It smells minty. Minty fresh. Yeah. Rough looking mint leaves here. I got some peppermint if I want to just, use it. And then I got my cloves. Y'all know we used to put this in ham. So I think I'll use all of them. I think I need to put another piece of gingerbread in there. Even if I don't put the whole ginger. I think I need a little more ginger. That's ginger root. So this is going to be some homemade syrup. Homemade cough syrup. To help you with mucus and phlegm. All natural. This is Monday Night Vibes. Yep, Monday Night Vibes. I'll let you, let me see. I'll let you see it. That's it right there. Look at it. It looks good, y'all. Plants over bills. This is all natural to help with the congestion. To help with the congestion and to thin the mucus out and help with the phlegm to get you back on target. So, like I said, this is Rhonda Young, also known as Cece. I should have said that in the beginning and I didn't. But y'all know me if y'all on my page. This is part 1, so come back to see part 2. And meanwhile, I'm going to listen to my jazz. See you in a minute.